Yeah, baby. Look what Jeff's got. Jeff's got a roly, gluey doodah. And with this doodah, I can roll out and I can be extremely generous with my sticky fluids, making sure it goes everywhere. Be generous to all. Ha ha ha! Right. First thing I've got to do is fill it with my sticky fluids. Filthy-minded people. Now that was satisfying. Let's put it to good use. Ha! Let's spread it everywhere. Let's get things sticky. Yeah. Now comes the moment of truth. God, I bet you can almost smell the excitement. We've made it, we just need to finish it. We've cut, we've glued, we've clamped, we've fixed, and now the last thing is to put some finish up and sex it up. And so, it is complete. But you may have noticed, I've got hardwood, lovely hardwood, as a base to display softwood, pine in this case. Now I know there's going to be some woodworkers in the internet world pulling their wigs out going, what, tut, 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 tut. I don't care. In the words of Billy Bragg, if you've got a blacklist, I want to be on it. And this spreader, with this spreader, my sticky juices have never been spread so far. I love it. I suggest you get one. Or two. Depends how much juice you got.
Oh, for fuck's sake, why did you build another frame? Why did you build another frame, you fucking twat?
Why did you build another frame, you twat?
I don't need another frame.
You knobhead. Oh well, it's done now. I don't need a picture frame. I could have made anything, and I made a picture frame. I don't need a fucking picture frame. Oh well, it's done now. And what is done is done. And all I can say is, on to the next. Does anybody want a frame?